Well, what's your favorite thing about my car?
My favorite thing, so what's up guys? Eric from BeatSonic. We are here in Buena Park, right next door to BeatSonic, La Mirada, that's where we're at. And we are out here taking some photos of Ben's Corolla. Ben is a new member of our team. He just joined us a few months ago. And Keith over there, let me see if I can grab him. He's doing his magic, taking some nice photos of this car and getting some videos too for some reels and some B-roll stuff. Pretty cool. And this Corolla here, as you can see, is pretty special. It was at Toyota Fest, displayed over there. It has a really nice livery, some cool raised wheels. It's on air suspension, that's why it's so low. You may have seen this car driving around here, Southern California, around LA, Orange County area, as Ben loves to go to all the car meets, or a bunch of car meets, Corolla related or non-Corolla related. You'll see him out and about in many of these events. And let me take this time just to get to know Ben a little bit, just to introduce you guys. Maybe you could talk about the car a little bit as well, and his thought process and his vision of creating this masterpiece here. So let me hand over the mic to Ben.
Right on. How's it going, guys? My name is Benson, or Baby Chow on Instagram and on YouTube. This is my 2020 Toyota Corolla hatchback. It is on airlift suspension, airlift 3P management with fly air struts. It's got the Pandem USA wing that we just recently put on it, and it's probably like one of the best features about the car.
Yeah, it's nice. Look at that, I like it. You just got this installed not too long ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we went to Race Tribute together, of course. So there was only one other car with these wheels on, which was kind of a flex. So yeah, it's kind of nice to know. And you know, these wheels aren't really that popular. It's basically like a TE37 meet. So yeah. Currently has our BeatSonic Encore Alpha ENA 2T3 on there, and our ShiftPower throttle response controller in there. APEXi N1 Evo single exit exhaust catback system in there, full JDM TRD body kit on there, and of course the infamous livery that I really love.
How about your suspension? Did you talk about your suspension yet?
Yeah. Front camber bolts are installed, so when aired out, it's about like -1.5.
Wow, it's pretty aggressive.
Yeah, only when aired out.
Yeah. How's your tire wear on those?
I think these tires are maybe 6-7 months old, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still good?
Not too bad, yeah.
Nice.
Pretty meaty setup. 225/40/18 on 18 by 9 plus 20.
All right.
No gatekeeping here. Free wheel specs. So.
Yeah. So how do you like the car so far?
It's nice. It's nice. Very reliable. Very
Why did you pick Corolla out of all the cars out there?
My first ever car when I was 18, 2000 Toyota Corolla. So it's kind of like a homage back to my first car, and it's my first car that I'm purchasing in my own name. So I'm kind of proud to say that it's almost done being paid off. So
Nice. Wow.
yeah.
It's a big milestone. You go to a lot of these car meets and shows. Tell us about your favorite ones. I know you love going to all of them equally as much. There's probably a few that point out to you or kind of sticks out to where you really enjoy and you just cannot wait to go back to it again.
Midwest Auto Care. They're
Oh, okay.
my sponsors and local to the Rosemead
Let me
area.
turn this camera around. How do you turn this camera around? Okay, there it is. All right, cool.
So Midwest Auto Care, they pretty much host a meet once every month, first Friday of every month, and they pretty much have like SEMA and like really built like cars there. They pretty much bring them out every month just for us to see and hang out, and we're pretty much all local, and we all grew up in the same area of like the Rosemead 626 area. And a few names I can throw out there, like Andy, 11 Crew, KRUE on Instagram. He has like a really nice cup converted Porsche and a R35 GTR that have been featured on multiple magazines and YouTube channels. And then one of my good friends, Baldy from DTM Auto Body, or Duluck9, I think that's his Instagram handle. And
Let me have you talk over here actually. So I have the car in the background. All right, cool. All right, keep going. Sorry to interrupt.
he has a really built Evo 9 that's been featured on Hoonigan and by Larry Chen and Super Street, Tuner Evo. Yeah, just really, really nice cars that go out every month. And it's good to always come out and meet friends again and kind of.
That's cool. All right.
Over the month.
So this year you're gonna be coming to you're gonna be going to SEMA. Is it gonna be your first time?
It is, yeah.
All right, right on. And Benson's gonna be at the booth for Beat Sonic, and it's coming up very quickly. So tell us a little about what you're looking forward to on this first SEMA of yours, and any feelings towards it, because SEMA is the largest car show, I believe, in the world, and a lot of people, especially car enthusiasts, it's something that they really look forward to, or something that they really want to go to because they haven't been able to. And for Ben, it's going to be his first time, so I'm sure there's a few emotions and thoughts behind it. So if you could share that with the viewers.
Yeah. I don't really travel a lot, so I'm kind of very excited for that. Back then, my parents used to take me a lot to Las Vegas, so that was fun, but I kind of missed that. So it's kind of nice homage to basically come with the Beat Sonic family and kind of travel and have fun with them. So I'm very, very excited for that, and that's probably what I'm most excited about, just traveling with the Beat Sonic family and kind of really getting to know everybody's personality side rather than work side, and just experiencing a lot of more fun.
Nice.
But cars-wise and SEMA show-wise, I don't really know what to expect. I haven't really watched a lot of YouTube videos or coverage regarding SEMA, so don't really have much expectations, but excited to see really, really cool cars and really being built. Especially new products. Anything for this car, honestly. So. Well, what's your favorite thing about my car?
My favorite thing, so when I first saw it, livery is the first thing that I noticed, and I almost thought it was like a Toyota sponsored vehicle in the beginning. And I was like, that's pretty
Everybody
cool.
always does.
Yeah, especially when I saw it at Toyota Fest for the first time. I was like, oh, must be one of Toyota's cars. But later I found out it's actually a livery that Benson put on himself, and I thought that was super cool. And the second thing I noticed are the wheels. I probably never seen those wheels ever from Ray's, and it kind of reminds me, well, you know, with the whole deep dish design, really, really cool. Probably really need to clean that pretty often to to make it look like that, but it's pretty cool. And that's how you know that the owner of the car truly loves their car and the wheels. When you see wheels like that with deep dish, and it's always sparkly clean, right? There's like no speck of dust on there. And these cars have a thing called brake dust, and they could easily make wheels dirty and black really, really fast. So to keep it shining like that, you're gonna have to be at it and really maintain the cleanliness of the wheels to be able to keep looking like that. So that's how you know you're a true lover of your vehicle, or a car enthusiast, as you can say. But I think the car is really well done. I think so. Everything flows nicely. I like the lip kit that you put on. Still looks like a Corolla, but it looks really nice. And you could never go wrong with wing right there, Pandem. I really like Pandem Kit, and they are one of the major players within the last 10 years. They came, Pandem, Rocket Bunny, kind of changed up the whole industry to give this new type of wide body look that became super popular ever since the Scion FRS. So very good choice with that. And yeah, so I think overall the car looks really good, very show worthy, and we might actually end up using it for local events in the future, Ben, as long as you don't mind. Hopefully we could show your car.
Now I know, speaking of Pandem, I know you and Beat Sonic used to have an FRS. I think if you search it up, you might still find it on YouTube, maybe 12, 11 years ago. What was one thing that you missed about?
About my FRS?
Were you looking to maybe install a Pandem Kit on it sometime soon? Or back then, because you know, it was a while back ago.
So as a personal preference, we're a little bit more on the conservative side when it comes to body. And we don't like really doing bumper replacements or fender replacements. It's more like we always like to do something to add it. So what we did was we had the Modellista kit. I believe we're the first one that had a Modellista kit in the US.
Oh wow.
And what's cool about the Modellista kit in Japan, it comes out as factory option. So the fitment and the finish is factory basically. The instructions manual that comes with it as well, it's made for a dealer install, so it's very thorough. And all the installation accessories that comes with it too. It's, you know, all the mounting holes and everything matches perfectly, which was really, really nice. It made the car look wide. We really liked that, but we didn't want to get too overly aggressive with any wide body kit back then. It's fairly new to the whole concept. It was very, very popular, and we wanted to do something a little bit more different, but still also have some sort of presence. And we thought Modellista kit was the perfect choice at that time. And will we ever do a wide body in the future? Well, it depends on the car. If we were to get the new GR86, Toms have a really clean looking wide body. So that's something that we would consider. APEXi done it on their car and it looks really nice. Not too crazy, bit subtle. It looks functional as well, which we like that. And it still keeps the factory body lines. So that's something that we like. And even with Benson's car, kept all the factory body lines too, which is something that we like.
Unfortunately, they just don't make any really good wide body kits for this car yet, or the non-regular or the regular clothes.
Yeah.
And another thing to note too, speaking of
I have no idea.
I think when the time does come to take off the Modellista and pretty much change out the wheels. Even if I was looking to work my best one.
Oh, okay. Don't these kind of look like the Workmeisters? Yeah, right? That actually reminded me of that. I didn't want to mention it because it's raised wheels and I don't want to reference to another brand, but yeah.
Specific wheels, the raised 21Cs are actually a homage to the Volk Racing Group C, which are basically a 3-piece wheel and kind of has like the same, if you want to come closer, kind of has like the same indentations here on the spoke itself, and
I
that's
see.
pretty much the key feature of the 21C / Group C back then. Yeah.
Oh, interesting. You know, interesting fact, Keith over there actually loves Workmeisters too.
Oh
Yeah,
Yeah.
he loves Works. Yep.
So when it does come time to change up the look, it would either be getting Workmeisters or kind of triple chroming these, since these wheels are already unique and kind of very, very rare. Yeah, I wouldn't mind like triple chrome plating them to kind of spice it up.
Okay, that'll be pretty interesting. Yeah, all right, cool deal. All right, Benson, well, hey, thanks for your time. Look forward to doing a lot of other work together, because I see you every day anyways. So yeah, pretty excited that you're on board, doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
And yeah, excited to do a lot more events and a lot more footages and all that going forward.
You'll see me more on the channel.
Yes, sweet. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right guys, so we were just out here casually in Buena Park, just doing a quick photo shoot and some introduction of Ben over here. You're gonna see more of him in the future videos. Look forward to that. And on top of that, yeah, very excited. Going to be a part of our team and also be able to show this car in the future maybe. Yeah. All right guys, well, thanks for watching our video. Really appreciate all your support. And for all the new viewers, if you actually saw the video or watched this video all the way till the end, that just shows that you're very interested in our content, which is great. So don't forget to subscribe and like it, and we'll show you more awesome content in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the future videos.
Bye-bye.